Hi there, so today I am showing you this black and white baby playmat gym, and our baby boy is really loving playing on this. He's really loving using it, and it is perfect for either playing on their back or for some tummy time. This play gym mat comes with several different activities for the child, including a musical toy that you can pop into the toy to play the music. It also comes with a little black and white picture book, which my baby especially loves at the minute. There's also lots of different hanging toys and little plushes that you can add on to it. There is also lots of sensory activities on the mat itself, including a little crunchy, noisy flap, as well as a really soft part and some ribbons. So there is lots of activities for your baby to do. As you can see, my little boy is really enjoying this, and we do use it for him spending time to kick about and wave around and look at the different toys and senses. And the perfect thing is this can be used as he starts growing up and getting older as well. So it is perfect for him now at 5 weeks, but also as he gets a bit older. The toys are super adjustable as well. So the actual adjustments move up and down on the arches, so you can adjust as you please depending on where your baby's eye level is going to be. You can also just clip out the toys in and out as suits you, so you can move things around as you want, including the book, which comes with a ribbon, so you can take that on or off as you please. Additionally, you can also remove the arches. They're really simple to remove and pop back in with a button, so you can wash the playmat. Once your baby has finished playing, the mat is easy to store as it simply folds away. Overall, we would highly recommend this baby play gym. It's absolutely fantastic. It has so many different attachments with it, and it really is brilliant. Our baby boy is loving it, and we highly recommend it.